It's April 3rd, 2013, 4313, and once again I am on it. It's interesting that it's like almost a year to the day that I'm going to start again. So I'm going to do another, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a juice fast or if I'm going to just like drink 1 or 2 juices a day and then have like a little meal, but I'm going to try and reboot my system so that I can get off the carbs and get back onto more natural or fresh raw foods. Wow, look at all those eggs.
Gee.
This is my herb garden. This is a kind of oregano right here, and then I got like 4 or 5 different kinds of mints going, and lemon balm, and I got some sage there. Getting all kinds of things. We got some basil started, and I got rosemary other places. So getting going on the herbs pretty early. They should be good this year. That's the book I'm reading right now. So this is one of my fig trees. I have 2. I used to have 3, but the gophers got one, and it's already got a bunch of figs on it. And here's my raised beds. You can see I got 1 little one right there, and then there's 2 decent sized ones right there. Those are all new. So hopefully we're going to fill those full of food. Here's my other fig tree. You can see it's got lots and lots of figs on it already.
Opening.
Just pulled out, yeah, like that. Like that.
And then going inside and...
No, yeah, open it up so that I can go inside.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so my couch surfer Julie. she's helping me film this. So this is my this is like my little mini greenhouse right here. These guys mistakenly planted those tomatoes. They had to come out of there. But so yeah, I mean it's so much warmer in here, so we can get some seedlings going, and then after that I think I'm gonna take the cover off and plant lettuce and cilantro and stuff like that. Okay, so here's what I really want to film.
Whoa.
Okay, but you gotta be shh. Okay, be quiet. I think she's in there with the. Okay, open up real slowly. Oh, there she is right there. She's sitting on eggs. Yeah, that's cool. Look at her. She's just keeping them warm. Is there any eggs on this side? Oh, there's 2 eggs on that side. Okay, so she's gonna make some chicks. She's a good mom. She's already made 5 of them. Cool, right? So this is my, it's Saturday, April 6, 2013, and this is my tomato garden here. Those are yellow ones, I believe. Anyway, there's got a lot of fertilizer and a lot of wood and lots of good stuff in here. Should do good, pretty good this year. Just getting started. So experience tells me that I just want the little yellow tomatoes, the yellow pear-shaped ones, the cherry tomatoes, the like a Better Boy, and then the big yellow ones. So I think I'm only gonna grow four kinds of tomatoes because those seem to do the best, and I like them the most. And cherry tomatoes, you just get tons of them, and for a long time. The little yellow pear-shaped tomatoes, they're good, and you get a lot of them. Of course, you want one regular red tomato, which is going to be a good producer, and then those big yellow ones, they're my favorite, and they grow real big. The plants grow real big.